Wow.
Oh my god!
What's up, YouTube?
Hello?
In today's video, my friend's birthday party is coming up.
Happy birthday!
And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't got him anything yet. And that's why we're going to be making cookies.
Okay, so since Joshua is still a newbie, I figured I'd buy him a cookie kit.
Why?
Because in this way you can do it on your own and I just watch you.
Okay, so since I'm the lead chef right now,
Yeah.
I am going to read off the instructions for this cooking kit.
Go ahead, kit.
All right, so I'm going to need 4 tablespoons or 1.5. Oh wait, no.
I thought the kit was gonna be easier for you.
Okay, so you're gonna need 4 tablespoons and then half of a stick butter softened. And you're also going to need 1 large egg.
Just one.
And you'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, or since we're gonna use frosting
Yeah, just
instead,
still.
right?
Use frosting, yeah.
And 1 tablespoon of milk, which we spilled.
Think fast.
But you know,
But you won't need it
yeah.
because we're gonna use this instead of the icing. Oh my god, things are starting to fall apart already and we haven't even started making cookies.
Okay, so what you're going to need for it is
A bowl
for
your cookie, if you have one, right? A cookie scooper.
a cookie scooper.
Yeah, cookie scooper.
Is that an ice cream scooper?
It's a cookie ice cream scooper. I don't know. Your measurings.
And an electrical mixer if you have it.
If you have it, if not, you can mix it with a whisk.
Yeah. Oh, that's what it. A whisk. A mixer. I'm gonna live my dream of being a toy review maker. All right. So
Really?
yes, we're going to need what this seems like powder.
That's the cooking mix.
The cooking mix, and the sprinkles, which seems pretty easy, right? So let's open it.
No.
Okay, so after the problem we just fixed, you're
Yeah.
going to get your scissors and your dust, and then you're just gonna cut it.
Please be careful. If you drop that powder, you'll have like 2-3 cookies less than what we need. So go ahead. Easy. Do it in here. Oh my god, child.
I got it. See, I'm a chef too. And then you're just gonna go like that. And
Easy.
it should look like, you know, like this.
Yes. And now what are you gonna get?
Now we are going to get the,
Butter,
okay.
which I already
Oh, it's
have for you
soft.
there. Yes. Room temperature.
Okay, so then,
You throw it in there.
just like, so you're gonna grab the egg, your 1 big egg, you're gonna break it,
Okay.
and then you're gonna, oh my, I'm getting so good at breaking eggs. Okay, so now you're gonna get your electrical mixer and you're gonna turn this bad boy on.
On slow first. Okay.
2.
1.
Okay.
Start mixing. Okay. Pretty easy.
But because this is a box,
Right?
you'll never know what ingredients you might need a little more.
So we used another egg, right?
Now, stop using the mixer and then just kind of with a spatula.
Like this, like a pro chef does.
I don't know about that, but okay.
Why does it look like ground beef? Like,
I know, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
did we accidentally buy like a meat pack?
No.
Okay, so now we did this, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like it looks presentable, okay?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't look bad. And this is the consistency it should be at least I think so.
Yeah, we'll see when the cookies come out.
Right, and we have to do a taste test.
No.
Okay, so my mom told me that it was too gooey, right? So mixing it because she doesn't trust me with flour anymore from what I did on previous videos.
Yeah.
Which is absolutely biased. This is the consistency it should look at.
At least we think.
Mom, are you sure this was a cookie box?
I think so. I thought it was gonna be easy, but
Oh, I'm still recording.
So what you're gonna do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, right? So we'll do 350, start.
And
right?
then once you put it in there, you're gonna leave it in there for 10 to 13 minutes.
Right.
Okay, so you're gonna grab your Patrick Star doo-doo, right?
Yeah, you're right. It does look like it, but
You're gonna get your cookie scooper, like my mom said, even though this is an ice cream scooper. You're gonna scoop it.
see if it works. It's really gooey.
Oh, you only do it like that much?
I think so. I don't know. This was a kit, right?
Yeah. My cookies are too soggy for the cookie scooper duper, so we are going to be using a spoon, Brad.
Yes, and make sure that they're like 2 or 3 inches apart, okay? If not, your cookies are gonna get...
Can you say like that?
Yeah, they're gonna become twin cookies, yes. So we try making 2 batches, okay, of cookies.
These are the funkiest cookies I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. So this is how, we already put 1 batch in, so that's how it should start to look. Okay, so this is where I messed up on our last time making sugar cookies.
Yes.
So my mom will help me with this.
Yes, so when your cookies come out of the oven, right, you guys, you cannot just automatically put frosting on them because they will melt, okay? You put your cookies on the rack and you let them cool down for at least 10 minutes because Joshua accidentally put this in the refrigerator. He was supposed to put it inside our pantry.
Oh.
So now it's cold, but it's fixable. Okay, so what you're gonna do, right, is you're going to take some of the spread, not all of it, because it's not gonna be a lot of cookies, apparently. So once you put your frosting, you're gonna pop it in the microwave for at least 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so this is how your frosting should look, okay? You see the difference between that one and the one that's here? This one would be harder for you to spread. So your cookies came out of the oven, right? Joshua cannot, like I said, Joshua cannot do this part yet. So now you're gonna get your cookies out of the tray. You're gonna leave them on your cooking sheet. We also have a guest in our kitchen today.
Okay, so after washing your hands like every good chef does, you're going to get your sprinkles and you're going to throw this aside. We bought these bad boys. Look at that. Luxurious, beautiful, perfect. Going to, I guess, just go like that.
Yeah, you just spread.
Okay, so this is my cookie.
No.
We're finishing putting the sprinkles on the cookies, right? We're gonna show you the finished product of what we already did. But this is not the end of the video yet, because now we're gonna go to the party and see his reaction. Alright, so this is Leo, right? The birthday boy. Okay.
Oh my god. Yummy. It's fire. This is fire. Valentine cookie cake. So strawberry. I think. I don't like strawberry. What'd you say? Wait. What'd you say?
You 3 all go together and rush it.
Wait. How do you play? Play attack. Oh.